present. You ready?
Hey, we got one more.
Yeah, come sit right here.
Whoa!
What is that?
What is that?
What is it, Mommy?
What do you think it is?
A new rubber worm? That's what I have always wanted.
I was stuck in traffic and I'm listening to the radio and they had an interview with a gentleman who built the first 3D printed mechanical hands. And I came into my research lab and I said to everyone in my lab, I was like, I have to be a part of this. I have to find a way. And 8 weeks later, Alex got his first bionic arm.
Oh man, she always gets first.
I've always wanted to be able to use engineering for more than just inside the laboratory. And you hear about these kids who have no hope. And then all of a sudden, a little bit of teamwork and engineering gives these families hope. This design was applicable to kids who suffer from amputations, for birth defects, and survivors from accidents. We thought that kids just wanted to blend in and that they wanted to feel normal. But it turns out it's much more about personal identity and expression. And so we're looking for artists and designers. When you're collaborating with a lot of individuals, to be able to manage all of that information so we can design appropriately and tailor it for each child. And so one note opened the doors to be able to innovate on this kind of level.
Our main focus is to provide these arms for children at no cost to the parents. And so far, we've been able to keep that going.
We're going to take it to the UN and UNICEF. We're trying to teach other teams and work with other teams to be able to get this design out to as many kids in need as possible around the world. The requests have come in from about 22 countries so far.
I'm good, how are you? So Claudio, we finished the arm. Hopefully we can send it to you this week. Are you excited? Yes?
We have a guest that we wanted Paulo to meet.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Lovely.
The design is Transformers. Bye.
Bye, Alex. Thank
Bye,
you.
Paulo.
Bye.
The children would ask, what's wrong with you? Why is your arm like that? What happened? Those questions really hurt Alex. By giving him this alternative, the questions completely changed. They were, how does that work? Where did you get it? That's so cool. And so for him, he wanted people to be drawn to his unique arm, his robotic arm. It opened our eyes to the fact that these kids, it's not a defect for them. It's a facet of their personality. And for us, that's a gift.
When you see a child with that big smile,
Now let it go.
it makes all the work worth it. What you do in your free time really matters. We go to school, and then in those last few hours of availability in the day, what you do can change the world.